Let me start recording. So the name of the strategy is called APA strategy. The long form of APA strategy is advanced price action, whereby in all the decisions we make, we usually get them only from the price action and the price action itself. We don't trade anything outside the price action. Have you studied the beginner level?
No. I'm not a beginner. I'm trading on derived market, but I'm just today loses profit, these profits. Don't I just want a strategy to be consistent and be profitable.
Okay, I got your
I'm not
point.
a beginner.
Okay, so if it's that, then we will have to start from the market structures. Okay.
Yes.
So the first structure we usually use, it's called invalidation. It's called invalidation. So let's say we have this downtrend right here. We have a downtrend, we are making lows, then price gets to break structure. Okay. Remember, whenever price breaks structure, that means it's a high possibility we may change direction of the trend. So when price breaks structure, we will be expecting price to respect our invalidation point. This is our invalidation point. So remember, our invalidation point is the second last structure. This is the last structure, and right here is our second last structure. So we will be expecting price to make some lows, respect our invalidation so that we can make more highs. So at your free time, okay, when you're passing through the video, you can sketch this, okay, in a notebook, so that later you can go through these structures. So this is an example when you have a downtrend, and just in case we have an uptrend, it's also going to be the same. So let's say we have this uptrend right here, then price gets to break structure. So remember, when price breaks structure, we usually anticipate on our second last structure right here. So we will be expecting price to make some highs, respect our invalidation so that we can make some lows. So right now, we will go to the live market and try to check out some live examples on this structure. We'll check out some examples. Right here, if you can recall very well, a few days back, we posted a sell trade. The sell trade was from this invalidation right here. Okay, you can see that price was making highs. We made a low, we made a high, then price came to break structure. We broke structure right here. So after breaking structure, price came to respect our invalidation point. That's when we had the sell trade. Okay, that's when we had the sell trade right here. Also, we have this example right here. You can see that price was making highs. We had our invalidation right there. Price came to break structure. After price breaking structure, price came to respect on our invalidation point for the first time. And then we had this sell trade, and price came for the second time to retest our invalidation. That's when we had this sell trade right here. So we had two sell trades right here.
Yeah.
And also right here. So remember, when you talk about the second last structure, a structure can also be made with a single candlestick. It is not a must that a structure should be made out of a variety of candlesticks. Okay.
You see?
I was trying to say that Some structures can be made with a single candlestick. It is not a must for a structure to be made with many candlesticks. Right here, we had this rejection, this pullback. So you can say that price had a low, okay? We had this high, we made a low, we came to break structure. After price breaking structure, price came to respect our invalidation point. That's when we had this buy trade.
Yes.
So, yeah, so that's on the invalidation. Let's try to look for another structure. So another structure we are going to learn today, it's called the new invalidation. On the new invalidation, price could be making lows, and at this time price could break structure, and after price breaking structure, we will be expecting price to respect our invalidation rate here, but this time it could be a little bit different. Price could make some lows and actually not respect our invalidation, then price could start making some highs. That means we have missed our invalidation point entry, right? So at this time, we will be expecting price to respect this new invalidation right here. We will be expecting price to make some lows, respect.
I was not hearing you. It's like I caught something and.
Okay, let me try to repeat. I was trying to say that right here we had this invalidation point, right? Whereby, let me try to illustrate. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's okay. I was kicked off on the Zoom.
Okay.
The Zoom sent me off.
Okay. We have this downtrend.
Yes.
Okay. When price breaks structure, we usually expect to respect our invalidation point, right? So at this time, price could, at the time we are waiting for price to respect our invalidation point, price could make some lows and start making highs. That means we have missed this trade right here.
Yes.
Price hasn't gotten to this point. So we will consider this structure as our new invalidation right here. We will be expecting price to make some lows, respect our new invalidation so that we can make more highs to the upside. You got my point? So this is what we call the new invalidation. So the new invalidation has 3 examples. This is the first example. The second example is that price could actually break structure. Then price could start making some lows, and this time price could not respect our invalidation point, whereby we will be expecting price to make some highs. Are you getting my point over there?
Yes.
I'm trying to say that price didn't respect our invalidation point.
So for right now, price can't respect the invalidation.
Yeah, price hasn't respect our invalidation point, like price has broke structure. That means we will be expecting price to retest this new invalidation. This will be our new invalidation, whereby price will start making some lows, respect our new invalidation so that we can make more highs to the upside. So this is our second example. And our third example is that price could actually make some lows. We could have this downtrend. Then we could break our structure. That means we have this invalidation right here. Price could start making some lows. Okay. After price making some lows, price could actually respect our invalidation point. Then price could start making some highs. So this structure right here will be our new invalidation right here. we will be expecting price to make some lows, respect.
Sir?
Yeah. Hello?
The Zoom is kicking me out. So let me join by using the ID. Let me join by using the ID. Is any password on the Zoom code?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
So what's the password?
Let me send it to you.
Okay.
So we were saying that sometimes we could have a new invalidation whereby price could actually come to respect our new invalidation so that we can create more highs to the upside. So these are the examples, just in case we have a downtrend. And when we have an uptrend, it will also be the same. We could have this uptrend whereby price gets to break structure and we have our invalidation point. So at the time we're waiting for price to respect our invalidation, price could make some highs and start making lows. That means this structure right here is our new invalidation, whereby we will be expecting price to make some highs, respect our new invalidation so that we can make more lows to the downside. That's our first example. Our second example is that price could actually make some highs and break our invalidation point, and price starts to make some lows. That means this structure right here will be our new invalidation, whereby price could make some highs, respect our new invalidation so that we can make some lows to the downside.
Okay.
And also we have our third example. Do you have any questions to the?
Here, no, but I'll watch a video, and if I have any question, I'll ask you.
Okay. Okay, then we can proceed. So we have the third example.
Because just in 15 minutes or just in 10 minutes, you changed a very big things in my trading psychology or in my trading. Me, I know market structure, but when the market is breaking, if the market breaks a structure, I don't know what's really the point, or because we have many support and resistance on the market. I don't know on which point the market will go back.
Sure, we'll go through that. I will teach you on how to understand these trends, on how to trade on an uptrend, downtrend, and consolidations, and on the time frames, like which time frame we usually consider it on breaking structures. Not all time frames should be taken very, very serious when we are talking about the trends. Okay. Yeah, we'll get through that. I think it will be on the third lesson or fourth. So also right here, price code. Okay, we have our third example. We say that price could make some highs, break structure. We have our invalidation point. Price could actually respect our invalidation. Then you could start making some lows, whereby this will be our new invalidation. Price could make some highs, respect our new invalidation, so that we can make some lows.
Yes.
Let's try to check out some live examples on the new invalidation. We have this example right here, whereby we were making highs, okay, and we had our invalidation. Price broke structure. This is our new invalidation. Our new invalidation made a high to respect our invalidation point right here. That's when we had the sell trade. So remember, we also say that this will be our new invalidation.
Invalidation, yes.
Yeah, whereby price made some highs and came to respect our new invalidation. That's when we had the sell trade right here. And also, let's also try to look for other examples. Yeah, we also have another example right here, whereby price was making some lows. We had our invalidation and we had our new invalidation right here. This new invalidation didn't respect our invalidation. Remember, we say that some new invalidations may not respect our structure, whereby if we try to check out, we can see that price came to respect our new invalidation right here. And that's when we have this buy trade.
Yes.
Yeah, do you have any questions still there?
Okay. My question is this. Is in the all time frames, or this structure can be, or I can look for this structure to make my analysis on one time frame or all time frames?
Okay, this all these structures are found in all time frames. Though the more we practice, like when we get ahead of the lessons, I'll show you some structures that have a specific time frame. But for now, all the structures are found in all time frames. I think you'll get to realize at the time you're back testing.
Okay.
We also have this example. Right here, we have this new invalidation. Price made a high, we made a low, we made a high. We had this new invalidation whereby price made some lows and came to respect our new invalidation right here. That's when we had the sell trade.
Okay.
So that's on the new invalidation. And the last structure we're going to learn today, it's called Invalidation X. It's called Invalidation X. So on the Invalidation X, let's say we have this downtrend. And before price breaks our structure right here, before price breaks structure, price may actually create another structure in between. That's when we get to break structure. That means this structure right here is our invalidation X. We will be expecting price to make some lows, respect our invalidation X, so that we can make more highs to the upside. So this is an example when you have a downtrend. And if we have an uptrend, it's also going to be the same. So before price actually breaks our structure right here, price may create another structure in between. That's when you get to break structure. So this structure right here will be our invalidation X, whereby we will be expecting price to make some highs, respect our invalidation X. That's when we can make some lows to the downside. Have you got my point?
I got you, sir.
Okay, so on the invalidation X, we have two examples. This is the first example. And the second example is that we usually have two types of invalidation X. We have the invalidation X that have an invalidation. As you can see right here, this is an invalidation X, but we also have this invalidation right here. So we have some other type of invalidation X whereby we don't have anything like an invalidation. So we could have this downtrend right here, and price could make out something like this. So you'll get to realize that we have this invalidation X that doesn't have anything like an invalidation on this side. We'll be expecting price to make some highs and respect our invalidation X so that we can make more lows. And also, this is an example when you have a downtrend. And when we have an uptrend, it's also going to be the same. So let's say we have this uptrend right here. Price could make out something like this. So right now we have this invalidation X, whereby price could make some low, respect our invalidation X so that we can make some highs. So right here, this is our entry. And as we can see, we don't have anything like an invalidation right here. So let's try to go to the live chart and look out for some examples.
Okay, sir.
Remember, all these structures are found in all time frames. So you shouldn't have any kind of limitations when you're doing your analysis. So let's try to look out for some examples. We have this example right here, whereby before price had an invalidation. We had a high before price broke structure. We had this invalidation X. That's when price made some lows and came to respect our invalidation X right here. Also, right here, price made some highs. We had an invalidation X. So remember, this time we didn't have anything like an invalidation.
You see?
We didn't have anything like an invalidation right here.
Yes.
We only had an invalidation X. So price came to respect our invalidation X right here. And we had this sell trade. Also, let's try to look for other examples.
Sir, please wait. Is here invalidation point?
Let me try to go back. Where?
Oh no, it's gone. Okay, let's go. We'll come back.
Okay. So another example. We have this example right here.
Yes.
Whereby we have an invalidation and we have an invalidation X. Then price came to a test on our invalidation X and we had this sell trade. So what you can do at your free time, you can try to look for these structures. You can try to look for at least 10 or even more than 10 invalidations. Also the invalidation X and new invalidation. So the more you do that, the more you train your eyes to capture these structures easily.
Okay.
Yeah, so, and also on our next lesson, I don't know if you'll be free by tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow I'm free.
Okay, then tomorrow we will have our lesson, but we'll have it earlier. Last time I miscalculated the time. So like by tomorrow, I think at the time that I'm free, I will tell you early, like an hour before, during daytime.
You don't know what you are doing. You are building a millionaire in Togo.
It's possible, sir. It's possible. What you have to do is just to put in the good work.
Thank you.
It's all possible. So then let me send you this section. You can get some time to practice.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.